Are you ready to earn crypto your way? In this video, I'll walk you through how you can do so in just a few taps with Swissborg Earn. First, you'll need to download the Swissborg app, set up an account, and deposit some assets. Don't worry, I can wait. Once you have assets in the app, then go to the Marketplace tab and tap on one of the cryptos with the Earn label. Tap Buy and follow the prompts to invest in this crypto. Once you have the crypto, return to your portfolio screen and tap on that crypto's card. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an Earn card. Tap on this, and here you'll see the different earning strategies you have for that crypto. In cryptos with more than one strategy, the strategies will be split between core and satellite strategies. Core strategies are lower risk yielding options where tokens are allocated to blue chip platforms. We consider these methods to be tried and tested, like Smart Yield and staking. Because the risk is lower, the return is also lower. This means that over time your wealth won't grow as quickly, but you minimize your risk. Satellite strategies, on the other hand, are more advanced. Adventurous strategies have a medium level of risk and reward. With different strategies available, you can tailor your yield to suit your investor profile. If you are a more conservative investor, you could put the majority into one of the core strategies. Once you've chosen your strategy, tap on the card and tap Get Started to add your crypto. Then, enter the amount you would like to add to the strategy, accept the terms of use, and confirm your subscription. Now, you will start earning a yield every 24 hours. When you would like to redeem your assets, just tap Redeem and enter the amount you would like to redeem from the Earn wallet. Your redemption will then be transferred to your main wallet at the end of the cutoff period. In most cases, this will be the very next day. From here, you are free to use those assets as you like, exchange them to another crypto or fiat, or withdraw them to an external wallet or bank account. The choice is yours. So, what are you waiting for? Start earning crypto your way with Swissborg Earn.